Shocking truth about hearing aids. Tell me, if you hit your head and found out that your brain was bleeding internally, would you be content to just stick a band-aid on your forehead and act like everything is okay? Yet that's what nearly 29 million Americans do every day when they put on their hearing aids. And I don't blame them. After all, they've been fed lie after lie about how once your hearing deteriorates, the only thing you can do is slap on an expensive hearing aid and hope for the best. But I'm here to tell you that's just another lie. That's because your brain does have an ace in the hole. A little something called neuroplasticity, which can repair and regenerate even the most damaged of brain cells, leading to 100% improved hearing in a matter of weeks. But don't take my word for it. This research done by a 102-year-old doctor proves my point.